A wise man once said, "We should all be concerned about the future. We will have to spend the rest of our lives there." This is a reminder that our education today is the blueprint for tomorrow's breakthroughs. We didn't just survive Kettering's rigor. We adapted to a world pandemic. We endured 8 a.m. Zoom lectures, lab safety and masks, and shifted seamlessly between remote learning and on-campus work. Today is proof that our prayers, tears, and countless sleepless nights were not in vain. Proof that the 11-week terms and co-ops tested our adaptability and solidified our endurance. Today is a symbol that you had the courage to push past your limits and the proof that you belong. Go forward, thinking differently, acting fearlessly, and let the world feel your Kettering impact. Congratulations.